In the first stage of the tank clean process, the manhole of the tank is cleaned thoroughly. High-pressure rotary jets are used to remove the dirt and algae that are otherwise impossible to remove by conventional methods. Once this is done, the process of cleaning the inside of the tank commences. A sophisticated suction process is used to drain the tank of most of the dirty sludge. As the water drains out, this process continues into the second sludge removal phase. This is a powerful suction process that cleans the tank of all the remaining water, making it ready for the real cleaning. The high-pressure rotary jet returns to rid the walls of the tank of sludge, algae, and calcinate in the most hygienic way. The jet of water dislodges the layer of dirt and algae stuck to the walls of the tank. The ceilings usually have a large concentration of germs and bacteria due to the availability of oxygen and dampness arising out of condensation of water. This cleaning process removes the layers of calcination, which usually are havens for breeding many a disease-causing bacteria. The floor of the dirty tank is then cleaned out thoroughly by the high-pressure water jets that remove every speck of dirt Now all the residual mud and dirt is sucked out by the specially designed industrial vacuum cleaner. is completely dirt-free. The impurities and the sludge is once again taken out and disposed at a safe place away from the water tank. dirt that lines your water tank that provides you your drinking water. The next tank clean process is designed to sterilize your water tank. The inner walls and the ceiling of the tank are treated with specially designed antibacterial agents that ensure the tank is made totally bacteria-free. Our antibacterial agents are totally safe, fully biodegradable and eco-friendly in nature and are highly effective against all pathogens to make your drinking water tank totally safe and bacteria-free. The final important stage of tank clean treats the sides of the tank with a specially developed ultrabacteria.